will go for our next topic that will comes about your sales control. First one, introduction. Every hotels need proper and effective control system in order to run operations smoothly and effectively. Without any fraudulent activities, the control is required at each and every stage of the food and beverage cycle. Means what is there? Means in each and every hotels we do require the effective control system to run the operations smoothly and effectively. Okay? With the help of sales control, we can easily avoid the fraud activities as well as which could be done by the staff itself. Taking the customer's food and beverage order, announcing these orders to kitchen or bar as the case may be. Getting the order correct and ready on time, serving the order correct on time and correct serving temperature to the guest. In food and beverage cycle, what we have to do, we have to control all the activities, each and every step, while we collecting the order from the customer, while announcing the order to the kitchen, or while giving the order to the bar for the preparation of that particular whatever being ordered by the guest. Then while we get the order, we have to collect the right order and on the right time, and then we have to serve the correct order to the guest, and we have to serve on time, and the food should be served at correct temperature to the guest. This will comes about your introduction of sales control. Next, making the correct bill. While we are making the bill, we have to do the control. Then setting the bill. While we do the setting of the bill, then we have to control the activities. Then closing the restaurant food sale. What we have to do? We have to give the proper control while we closing the restaurant food sale. Okay? It should be checked. We should not, we could not leave unchecked. If we leave it unchecked, then it may, then our establishment can become bankrupt. Then we have the sales control systems. First one, it will comes about you triplicate KOT control method. Triplicate KOT control method. KOT means kitchen order ticket. This system is traditional and time tested and very efficient and still in vogue. As the name implies, the food check has copies. Each copy has same serial number on them and be of different color for easy identification and demarcation. Once the order is recorded on the KOT, then the first copy go to the kitchen or the dispense bar. On the basis of the first copy, the order is being prepared by the chef or by the bartender. Once the waiter picks up the order, the KOT copy is dropped into the control box, which is always kept locked. Control box is generally maintained by the Food and Beverage Control Department to prevent any kind of fraud or malpractice. This is the sample of your KOT. On KOT, you will find the name of the restaurant or name of the hotel, then kitchen order ticket, later on the serial number, then table number, next operator ID, the name या फिर the ID of the steward, then we have to write the description, or we have to write the items, and we have to write the quantity as well as number of items and number of quantities. This is your uh, KOT sample. The second copy is then given to the cashier. On the basis of the second copy, the cashier is responsible to prepare the bill. The first copy of the bill goes to the guest. The cashier will also prepare the two copy of the bill. The first copy go to the guest, and another copy is retained by the cashier, and cashier attach the copy of KOT with the copy of bill, and he will submit it along with sales summary during the closing time. ठीक है. After closing, they used to print the sales summary. Whatever has been the sale is made throughout the day. Then it will be generated into one sheet or on one sheet. Then the cashier is responsible to attach the KOT and bill of the guest, and it will attached with the sales summary sheet and hand it over to the food and beverage controls at the end of the day or at the end of the shift. Then the third copy of the KOT remains with the waiter in the KOT book for the reference and checking up the order during service. It may be called for auditing at any time by the control department. The third copy is basically kept by the steward for the future reference. In case of auditing, if there is any misplace of the first or second copy, then F&B control department could demand the third copy from the steward. In that case, this will help. This is about your triplicate. Next, it will comes about your duplicate checking method. This kind of checking method is basically used in small hotels or cafes and in popular restaurants. As the name implies, the KOT book has two copies. The first copy is go to the kitchen, on the basis of which the food is being prepared. When the waiter picks up the order, the first copy is dropped into the control box for auditing by the control department. The waiter retains the second copy as a means of reference during the vice. When guest request for the billing, the waiter or cashier sum up all the rates on the second copy of KOT and presents the same to the guest as the bill. In few organizations, the copy has 4 or 5 slips. The waiter write down the food order course-wise on the different slips, as and each courses is required that particular slip is torn off and given at the hot plate. Every slip has a waiter number, table number, serial number, and when the food is ready, then a buyer keeps the particular slip along with them to avoid the confusion. Next, KOT is prepared by the food and beverage service personnel to intimate the food orders of the guest to the kitchen staff. It helps in serving the right order to the right person. The KOT consists of details such as table number, covers, name of the waiter, date, time, items ordered, and its quantity. Usually, all the KOTs is serially numbered for control purpose. The food check may be duplicate or triplicate depending on the size and style of the organization. A KOT is written as follows. The order is written along the lines and not up or down. Indication is given between the courses. If a few lines are left in KOT, that space is struck off. Quantity of each dish is written in words rather than the number. The next, single control sheet. This system is usually used by cafes, quick turnover restaurants, departmental stores, and takeaway establishments. Usually, the restaurant is very limited or size is very limited with little or more choices. Many organizations following this system may have order sheet printed with the menu. After taking the order from the guest, the waiter writes it on the KOT and calls for the order verbally over the hot plate. When the guest requests for the bill, the waiter prices the order sheet and hand over to them as a bill. While leaving the restaurant, the guest submits the bill to the cashier and pays the amount. The cashier retains the bill for control purpose. This is about your single control sheet. The next, it will comes about your service with order. This system of ordering is used in fast food joints, take away, cafeterias, etc. Here the men offered in the here the menu offered in the establishment is displayed in wall mounted boards. The guests choose what they want to eat and then order that. The person at the cash counter makes the bill, collects the cash, stamp the all received and hand it over to the guest. The guest goes to the respective food counter and collect dishes against the bill. After delivering the order, the person at the food counter stamps the bill delivered and hand it over to the guest. Whatever may be the checking system used, it should ensure good control over the food and beverage operations staff who deals with two important things: food and cash. Thank you.